Oh.
4 steps to lose belly fat in a week. Tonight is your date night with that handsome coworker whom you've been flirting with for the whole week. You open your wardrobe and browse through all of your clothes. This won't fit. This is too tight. This will emphasize your flabby belly. Well, jeans and sweater then. Not too romantic, but at least no one won't notice that you skipped your workouts this week. Oh, okay, this month. Do you recognize yourself? If you nodded, you are on the right track to shape your body in just a week and then wear any outfit that suits the occasion. Let's get into action. Here are 4 simple steps. One, never stop moving. Movement is life. Jogging, running, biking, swimming. Anything that gets your heart rate up will do. It will help you burn calories and improve your health too. You can also take long walks. Cardio exercises is one of the most effective forms of training for reducing belly fat. However, try not to exhaust yourself with long marathon-type jogging. Experts prove that interval training or combining 2 types of exercise is more effective. How often and how much you exercise is also very important. You must be organized about this. Make a schedule and follow it day by day. Download a program that will help you track your activities, stay motivated, and never skip training again. Here's another good tip. Find a fitness-positive friend who will support your efforts or join you in the gym. The competitive style of training will have a very positive outcome. And you'll get a pleasant bonus. When you exercise, the endorphins kick in your blood. You'll become not only a fitter person, but happier too. Two, hydrate smartly. You control your whole life, so why don't you start controlling your whole body? Plus, remember that human body is 80% water, and it's essential to nourish it. Drinking your daily recommended amount of water will help you control your metabolic rate and digest food faster. Yes, we know, you might need to visit a toilet more often at first, but after several weeks, your body will get used to it, and bathroom visits will return to an average amount. However, avoid sugar-sweetened drinks. Sugar is the biggest enemy of the fit, flat belly. When you eat a lot of sugar, the liver gets overloaded with fructose and turns it all into fat. We don't need that, right? So it's just water then. As a result, food digestion boosts, you lose that stubborn belly fat, and feel great. Win-win. Three, eat healthy. It's obvious that your whole belly fat losing plan is based upon healthy diet and thoughtful choice of food. Of course, you can burn yourself out in the gym and congratulate with a slice of pizza before bedtime. But we both know it's not right, not healthy, and won't take you any closer to fit body. So let's talk about food. Protein goes first. Be sure to include a good protein source at every meal, such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy. If weight loss is your goal, then adding protein is perhaps the single most effective change you can do to your diet. Protein intake decreases appetite and promotes fullness. Many famous actors follow the protein-rich diet to prepare their bodies for the key role of their life. For example, for the part in Dallas Buyers Club, Matthew McConaughey followed a diet that included a lot of liquid, we told you, and proteins. Very resultative, we say, for both body and Academy Award. Don't skip dinner ever again. We know what you might think. If I skip it, I'll lose weight. No, you won't. Sorry about hard truth, but let's face it, when you skip a meal, your body signals your inner organs that the starvation mode must be activated. It means that from now on, everything that you've eaten before will be turned into fat. This is how your body saves you. So, don't let the chub layers appear. Eat a healthy snack every 3 hours. Alcohol will become fat too. We know it sounds ridiculous, but it's a fact. Sooner or later, your liver will digest alcohol into sugar and then into fat. And where do you think it appears in the first place? Right. There's nothing wrong with having fun, and little party never hurt anybody. But we advise you to be moderate and settle on 1 or 2 drinks. Just remember, party lasts one night, belly fat lasts for weeks. We made our choice. Now it's your turn. Four, chill out and drive out the stress. You didn't expect to see this one here, did you? But here's something you should know. If you tire your body with a huge amount of exercise and excessive dieting, you should give it a break sometime. Sleeping for 5 or less hours per night increases visceral fat level. Good sleep every night will help your body stay at natural rhythm and keep metabolism regulated. Plus, if you sleep well, you look good in the morning, smile more, work productively. And one more pleasant bonus to add: stop stressing about your weight. The more you think about it, the more you keep yourself preoccupied with something that cannot be solved with a wave of a magic stick. You have to understand that everything takes more or less time. Stress deprives you of good sleep, blocks concentration, and burns energy. Don't overwhelm your brain with negative thinking. Here's a tip. If you combine our advice with your ideas on shedding belly fat, you might expect good results in just 1 week. And step away from those scales and look at the mirror. This is the only thing that reflects how beautiful you are. Comment below to share with us your ways of fat fighting. Don't forget to share the video with your friends to keep them motivated, and click subscribe to join us on the bright side of life.